Hi guys, is your store sold completely out of hand sanitizer? Well, no worries, you can easily make your own with just a few simple ingredients that you probably already have laying around. It works good, smells great, so easy to make. Here's how you make it. All you really need is two main ingredients, some rubbing alcohol and some aloe vera gel. You also need a bowl, a spoon, and an empty container. I like to use empty hand sanitizer containers or like a small refillable travel container. Two optional ingredients I personally love to add is number one, a moisturizing oil, such as a fractionated coconut oil or a vitamin E oil. The second optional ingredient would be essential oils. Some people love to add essential oils as a fragrance, but I personally love to add them as a germ-fighting bonus. To get started on this recipe, we start with 2/3 of a cup of 99% isopropyl alcohol. If you only have 70%, it just changes the recipe a little bit. You just need a little more alcohol to aloe vera ratio for the correct germ-killing strength. Next, add in your 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel. Add your 1 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil if you're using that. And next, it's time for essential oils. You're gonna add 5 to 10 drops of the essential oil of your choice or mix and match your favorites. Give it all a quick stir until it's well combined. If you have a funnel, use the funnel to try to pour some of it into it and fill it up. Add your lid, shake it up, and it is good to go. It's wonderful, works great, smells nice, and it has lots of germ-fighting essential oils inside it too. Keep this stored at room temperature in a sealed container. When you're all finished filling up your containers, add the rest to a small little pint-sized jar, seal it, and you can use it to refill those bottles again later. And that's it, guys. It's so easy to make your very own hand sanitizer from scratch. You can find this and many other DIY recipes at my blog, happymoneysaver.com.